Okay, I'm just getting here to another project. This particular one is a nice steep roof that we had to take to an attorney because the insurance wouldn't pay it, but it had a lot of hail damage. It's been a while since we submitted that, but it finally came through. And check this out. There's the guys right there working. And this is like a 12-12 pitch. It's a very, very steep roof. Um, here you go. As you can tell, we do. Every valley gets storm guard automatically, whether we don't even upsell it as we should, but it's just part of us doing right by the customers and doing good work. We use the synthetic felt also. And we found a big piece of rotten wood, and that includes part of the, not just the decking, but it was some of the rafters were rotten. We had to get in there and replace all of that. Anyway, just sharing with the class. Hope you guys have a great day.